Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah Azza today I will tell you about Aala Hazrat. Who was Aala Hazrat? Mainly I want to tell those countries that doesn't know about Aala Hazrat. Remember it. Aala Hazrat was a big Islamic scholar of India, and he born in 14 June 1856 in Bareilly, that is a place of India. And his specialty is that he wrote 1000 or more books in his life, and he was a very big poet, and he said poetry of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam because he was very big lover of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. And his further specialties, inshallah, I will tell you in next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.